Welcome to the webinar training, Cause and Effect, Solving Everyday Problems. In this training, we will discuss ways that you can implement problem-solving strategies at home with everyday tasks. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the curriculum department at curriculum@ablenetinc.com. Let's get started. Solving problems is a big part of math. It is important for students to know how the world works when solving problems in everyday life and when learning math. Some everyday problems are related to math and some are not. The way we understand how to solve problems is about the same, whether it is how to make a smoothie or how to add 2 sets of books. It is most important that students have enough life experiences by watching and doing so they begin to understand when I do something, something happens. For example, gather ingredients for a smoothie. Show how many bananas and strawberries there are. Then measure the yogurt. Have your child watch as you place the ingredients in a blender. Take a photo to show what the ingredients look like in a blender. Show how to turn it on and cover your ears. Seconds later, the ingredients look very different. Compare the photo with the outcome and talk about what happened. It is most important that students have enough life experiences by watching and doing so they begin to understand when I do something, something happens. This provides students with information about the world. Later, students will be better able to make reasonable predictions of what will happen when they solve other problems, including math, because they have a better understanding of how things work in their world. Here are some additional examples around the house and yard. Depending on the activity, your child can observe or participate in one or more steps. All of these tasks begin with deciding how to do the task, which action to take, and what tool to use. Let's move on to a more challenging activity by showing choices before solving a problem. In math, thinking about choices and what might happen supports students as they tackle problems and make decisions about what to do, what tools to use, and what the outcome might look like for each of those. For example, the countertop is too messy to cook. Here is an example of an everyday problem you can solve with your child by giving choices about the action and tool to use to solve this problem. I want to make dinner. I don't have enough room on the counter to cut vegetables. This counter has too many things on it. What can I do? I can cover the counter with a blanket, or I can put the utensils back into a container. Ask your child, what should I do? Cover the counter with a blanket, or put away the utensils? Let me think. When I cover the counter, it doesn't look like I could cut vegetables on the counter. The blanket just covers up the utensils. But when I clean up the utensils, it looks like there's plenty of room to cut the vegetables. Ask, what do you think? Cover the counter with a blanket, or put away the utensils? This looks like it's too hard to cut. I would not use a blanket. Now the counter is cleared. I have enough room to cut vegetables. This solves the problem better than covering it with a blanket. The problems and choices I showed you are ways for your child to learn about 2 steps of problem solving. 1, choosing an action, cover or put away, and 2, choosing a tool, blanket or container for putting utensils away. Let's look at more problems and show these steps. In this example, I am hungry for cereal, but my bowl is empty. What should I do? I can put cereal in my bowl, or I can put a banana in my bowl. Ask your child, what should I do? Put cereal in my bowl or put a banana in my bowl? Let me think. When I put a banana in the bowl, I still do not have cereal, and that is what I really want to eat. But when I pour cereal in my bowl, I can eat cereal like I want. Ask, what do you think? Put a banana in my bowl or pour cereal in my bowl? There is still no cereal in my bowl, and I am hungry for cereal. Now my bowl has cereal in it. I can eat cereal like I wanted to. In the next example, I am baking a cake. We made the cake batter. What should we do next? I can put the cake batter in the refrigerator, or I can put it in the oven. Ask your child, what should I do? Put the batter in the refrigerator or in the oven? Let me think. What should I do? When I put the cake batter into the refrigerator, the batter still feels cold and it is still liquid. When I put the cake batter into the oven, the heat in the oven bakes the batter. Ask, what do you think? Put the batter in the refrigerator or put the batter in the oven? The refrigerator does not heat the batter to make a solid cake. It is still liquid. When I put the cake batter into the oven, the heat changes the liquid to a solid. The solid is a cake. In the next example, I need clean clothes for school. All of my clothes are in the hamper. What should we do? I can wear the dirty clothes from the hamper, or I can wash them first. Ask your child, what should I do? Wear dirty clothes or wash them first? Let me think. When I wear clothes from the hamper, they are dirty, but when I wash them, they are clean. Ask, what do you think? Wear dirty clothes or wash them first? If I wear clothes from the hamper, my clothes are still dirty. I should wear clean clothes. If I wash them first, my clothes are clean and I am ready for school. You can make an impact on your child's skills as a problem solver by increasing understanding of how the world works. And you can do it at home with simple chores and fun activities with your child. If you have any questions, ask your child's teacher or contact the curriculum team at curriculum@ablenetinc.com. We look forward to hearing from you.